Welcome back to my channel, where we're exploring effective hair care solutions without breaking the bank. Today, I'm excited to share a powerhouse duo that promises to invigorate your hair care routine. Maple Holistics, certified organic rosemary and pumpkin oils. These two organic oils are pure wonders, loaded with benefits for your hair, skin, and nails. Let's dive into their root-to-tip benefits. Organic rosemary essential oil stands tall among its peers for its remarkable ability to nourish your hair. Imagine a DIY hair serum or a calming scalp oil that not only removes flakes, but also adds volume and shine to your locks. The aromatic essence of rosemary can effortlessly transform your hair care ritual into a delightful experience, allowing your hair to radiate health and vibrancy. Next, we must discuss the magic of pumpkin seed oil. This oil is rich in unsaturated fatty acids and vitamin E, coveted for its role in soothing scalp inflammation. When combined with rosemary essential oil, the duo works symbiotically to block DHT, a hormone notoriously linked to hair loss. Hydrating your scalp has never been more essential, especially for those with dry and thin hair. Imagine your hair transforming from lifeless strands to lush, fuller locks that cascade down your shoulders. But wait, there's more? The possibilities are endless when it comes to concocting your unique blend of organic oils. Why not mix these oils to create a rejuvenating face oil packed with nutrients for tired skin? Just a few drops can work wonders for both your hair and your skin. The versatility of Maple Holistics organic products allows you to tailor your beauty routine according to your needs and desires, truly making self-care an exciting ritual. At Maple Holistics, quality is a priority. They believe in using real ingredients for real results, which is precisely why their rosemary and pumpkin oils are sourced from top-notch natural ingredients. These oils assure you head-to-toe coverage that will leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. For an easy DIY treatment, creating a pumpkin seed and rosemary oil mixture for hair growth is simple. Just combine 1 teaspoon of pumpkin seed oil with 5 to 6 drops of rosemary essential oil, massage into your scalp, and let it work its magic for a couple of hours before your usual wash. Trust me, your hair will thank you. For more tips like this and to grab your own products, don't forget to check the link in the description below. I appreciate you taking the time to watch.